In today's video, we are going to learn about WordPress installation and the cleaning up of dashboard. So to do that, let's log in to the account we created in the previous video. Now to install WordPress, come to your dashboard right here where it says script installer, then click on it. Great, it's going to bring you to the Softaculous interface where you can see all these scripts to install. Now what we are interested in is WordPress, so let's go ahead and then click on install. Now this is your installation window, so come right here where it says choose installation URL. It will be pre-populated for you, the name that you chose when registering for the account, which is mywptools.kisak.com. Then you leave everything as it is. Then we move downwards. Then for the site name, let's change it to mywptools. Then site description, let's say tools for everyday use, something like this. Then we come to the right side here and then admin username. Okay, so let's choose a username for our installation. So let's say WP Tools. Then for the password, let's hide it and then change it. Okay, awesome. Then the admin email, let's leave it right like this. Then scroll down, don't change anything again, then hit install. So we are going to wait for the installation to finish. Awesome, so now we are through with the installation of our WordPress. Okay, so let's go ahead and then see how it looks like. Okay, so you can see it here, my WP tools. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Then to log in, just add /wp-admin, then hit enter. Now let's go ahead and then log in with our username. Okay, so the username we chose was WP Tools. Then let's go ahead and then input the password. Then click on login. Great. So we have successfully installed our WordPress using the infinityfree.com hosting account. So here is our WordPress dashboard. Now it's saying that we should update our WordPress, so we can just quickly do that by clicking on the update here. Scroll down and then update. Update and continue. Great, so let's go back to the dashboard. Great, so now let's learn about the cleaning aspect of our dashboard. Okay, so to do that, come right to where it says screen options. You click on it. So we don't want all these things, so you just take them off one after the other. Take them off, then click it back. Now go to where it says plugins. Then we don't want any of them, so you can just select all, then you delete. So apply. Awesome. So let's go to appearance, then themes. Then let's update the 2025 theme. But then we don't need these other two themes. Okay, it's not necessary, so you delete it. Then come to theme details, then you delete. Great. So now let's go ahead and then come to settings. Now under settings, the general settings, we have the site title, we leave it as it is. Then tagline, we leave it as it is. Site icon, when we start designing, we will look more into it. Then we leave everything as it is here as well. So new user, default role, subscriber, we leave it as it is as well. Then here you can set the time format based on what you like. Okay, so that is absolutely yours to do. Then week starts on, I usually put it on Sunday. Then save changes. Then you come to writing. Then we leave everything as it is here. There's nothing to change yet. Okay, default post category, we leave it as it is for now. Okay, then you come to reading. Now we are going to do some important settings here, and then we will definitely come back here as well. Okay, so for now, for the time being, we leave your home page display to static post because we don't yet have pages where we can link the home page to. So let's leave it as it is. Then this one as well, then we leave this too. Okay, so for now we leave this as it is. Then we come to permalinks right here. Now for the permalinks, we leave it as post name. Okay, so that when you write a blog post or when you create a page, the page name should come after the website URL. Okay, so you leave it at post name. Then you click on save changes. Great. So we come back to our dashboard. This is how it is. Now let's go to post. Then the welcome post, we don't need it as well, so you can trash it at the moment. Then go to trash, and then let's permanently delete it. Great. Alright, so we've successfully gone through the creation of or the installation of our WordPress and then the cleaning of the dashboard. So the subsequent video will talk about what to do next from here. And as a reminder, if this is the first video you are watching on the channel, then I'll advise you click on the video that will show on your screen to learn about how we are able to get our free hosting account. Okay, so click on that video and then learn how to get a free hosting account before you come back here and then learn about the installation of your WordPress.